Welcome friends, in this video let's discuss about International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, also called as IUCN. IUCN is the world's oldest organization that is involved in environment conservation and nature conservation. IUCN was founded in 1948 as International Union for Protection of Nature, and its name has been changed in 1956 to IUCN. Its headquarters is in Gland, Switzerland, and its vision is simple and superb. The vision is just world that values and conserves nature. And as I mentioned earlier, IUCN is an international organization working in the field of nature conservation and sustainable use of natural resources. That is, sustainable use of natural resources. And the main functions of the IUCN is in the areas of data gathering and analysis related to nature conservation and conservation of natural resources. So it gathers various scientific data and analyzes these data with the background of natural conservation. And it is also involved in various research activities throughout the world in the areas of biodiversity preservation and nature conservation. And it is also involved in field level projects, that is the grassroots level projects in the areas of nature conservation. And it is also involved in advocacy, lobbying and education activities related to environment conservation. Let's look at the mission of the IUCN. The mission is to influence, encourage and assist societies throughout the world to conserve nature and to ensure that any use of natural resources is equitable and ecologically sustainable. Here, this equitable and ecologically sustainable words are important, okay? And please remember, IUCN is not an organization of the United Nations, okay? It is not an organization of the United Nations. It is an NGO. IUCN is a non-government organization. Here, unlike other international NGOs, IUCN does not itself aim to mobilize the public in support of natural conservation. And here, IUCN is not involved at the grassroots level in the areas of public awareness and mobilization of public support in nature conservation. Okay, its main area of function is in influencing the actions of government and business enterprises and other stakeholders by providing valuable scientific information and scientific advice, okay, and also through lobbying the government and business enterprises to adopt ecologically sound management practices and also eco-friendly policies. And also it also undertake a partnership with the government and various private enterprises for the conservation of nature and natural resources. And the main thing here is that it is not involved at the grassroots level in mobilizing the public support for natural conservation as in Greenpeace and other NGOs are doing. So it is involved at the policy formulation and at the administration level, okay? And the most important work that is done by IUCN is the compilation and publication of red list of threatened species. So this is the list of plants and animals which are threatened due to human interferences, which are under the cusp of extinction because of the actions of the human beings like deforestation and other interferences, okay? And this IUCN red list of threatened species assesses the conservation status of species worldwide. These are updated periodically. And IUCN has membership of 1,200 governmental and non-governmental organizations. Some 11,000 scientists and experts are participating in the work of the IUCN Commission on a voluntary basis without any expectation on a monetary level, okay? And another important thing IUCN is doing, that it is involved in establishing various international organizations which are in the area of environment conservation. That is, it is involved in World Wide Fund for Nature and Natural Resources establishment and International Conservation Monitoring Center. In 2012, IUCN published list of world's 100 most threatened species. So it published this list. So from India, we have a president of IUCN from 1984 to 1990. He's MS Swaminathan. Among the world's 100 most threatened species, we have 3 important species from India. These include white-bellied heron. It's a bird, okay? It is a habitat is in Bhutan, Northeast India and Myanmar. Only 70 to 400 individuals are left right now. So it is the most threatened species, one of the most threatened species, and threats from the hydropower projects are imminent to this species. And the second is great Indian bustard. We all know that great Indian bustard is a bird which is under threat due to agricultural activities and other human interferences. Its habitat is in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Madhya, Madhya Pradesh in India. Okay, only 50 to 250 mature individuals are present right now. And other threatened species which are present in India is common Batagur four-toed terrapin. It is a reptile. It is a turtle. It's a tortoise, and its habitat is in Bangladesh, Cambodia, India, Indonesia, and Malaysia. And its number is unknown to the researchers as well. And the main threat is that it is illegally exported to China. So these are all the three things. And another spider species is there in the world's 100 most threatened species from India. Totally 4 species are threatened. Okay, which were listed by the IUCN. So this is it about IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Please like the video so that it may come top of the researchers. Okay, and please share the video on the Facebook so that it can reach more people like you who are preparing for examination. Okay, please help me in this regard, and subscribe to the channel for more updates and more videos. Thanks for watching.